Hey guys, I want to come on video real quick and show y'all this package I just received. I'm be holding my cell phone, so this is going to be a little shaky video, but hope y'all still enjoy it. Uh, and it's a wireless drill. Well, that knife ain't sharp. There you go. And this how it came packaged, y'all. And I had got it from a deal off of eBay, a wireless drill. Ooh. Box in a box, a box in a box. Okay. And that's how the box look. Let's see if they have some writing on the other side. And that's the name of the wireless drill. Packaged very nicely. Okay, I got the K38 motor and the, I think it's the SCH e-file. Yes. Got the manual, portal control box, and the micro motor. I think I got the 300. Yeah, I got the SH300 and the K38 motor. That's how that look. I got the white. DC in. You can put like a holder right here. That's the power. The speed dial, max to minimal, no numbers. I like them when they have like the little notches though. On this side is the reverse, and they got the pedal also that you put the foot right here, and the clip for the back, made in Korea. But I ordered something else that haven't came in yet. It's like it's a big old, I'm gonna feature it, y'all. I'm just not gonna even talk about that because it's not here yet. So I'll review that at another time. That's the little, where you sit the drill on, the little holder. It's look like it's made out of rubber. And at the bottom of this, you get the foot pedal, which I really wanted. That's why I got this drill, because most of the wireless drills don't have the foot pedal adapter. And that's what I liked about this. You can attach a foot pedal. That's a nice foot pedal, very small. It's not too big and bulky looking. The power cord. Oh, you get the holder. That's the little holder that you put on the side. Let's see what that is. There's a lot going on in this box. Oh, that's the power adapter, power cord. And this goes to the motor. And that's how that looks. That's the power cord. It's the charger. That's a big charger, huh? And this is the e-file. Girl, I'm on my dining room table using one hand. Oh, I just bought some more tools. I didn't know they would have had the tools in here. If you need the tools to fix tighten up anything because you can repair this one. You can set it off and repair it, or you can get parts to it. It's really a good file, very quality file. Let me zoom in closer so y'all can see it. I don't know, to me it's kind of heavy, but that's the 300 SH300. This part right here is heavy, and then it get lighter right there, but the back of this to me is kind of heavy compared to my little other drill that I use, pencil drill that I use. But it is stainless steel, nickel. I think it's good quality drill, very good quality drill. This actually, this doesn't swivel at all. It doesn't swivel. Adapter. And that's just a pin. And you twist lock it. You twist it. That's lock, twist. And you gotta, when you twist, you twisting that part off too. It's tight. Yeah, it's twist lock. What is this? What is that? Oh, that must be the little barrels. Like if those are worn out, you can replace those. So I better keep that safe. Put that in there. Okay, that's pretty much it. Once that other little thing come in, I'm gonna feature this and show y'all how this work. Plug it all up. So give me a moment, I'll do that. Alright guys, I set up everything, and this is how the setup look. You have the cup holder here, which I put up in there. Wasn't hard to put in. The power cord goes there. I'm charging it up. On this side, it has the speed dial. I didn't even looked up there when I was featuring this. And put the volume up like this. It is 30,000. Where is that? 30,000 RPMs. Runtime is 4 hours. And the motor charge up to 8 hours. I mean, charging time is 3 hours. It takes 3 hours to charge it fully. That's that. It shows this part when it's low, this when it's medium. When it's fully charged, it has all three that's light up. And I'm so glad this did come all the way charged. That little blinking light shows that I'm charging it right now. This is saying that you're using the foot pedal in a reverse mode. And that's the speed. Okay. When you want to use the pedal, you plug it in there and then you press this button there. Reverse if you want to do that right there. I think I told y'all that. But this is the power when you want to turn it on. Yeah. Press the button to turn it on. Let's turn it off. And I click it. Do you hold it? You hold it down for about 1-2 seconds and it comes on. That's the power. Now, if I want to turn it speed. Do I hear it? Do I hear it? Oh, you can't use it. Oh, you must can't use this while the charger in there. Take the charge out and see. And see if that's the problem. Okay, that's the problem. You cannot run this while the pedal while it's charging. So I'm using a dial. So it's meaning that, okay, y'all hear it? Oh, it's really low. I can't hardly hear it at all. That's all the way up. Can't hear it hardly at all. That's high. That's low. Low, you can't hear it at all. But I'm sure once you put your okay. Let's see if I can run it with the foot. Oh, I did. I was running with the foot. Okay, the foot is on. I cannot hear that. Y'all hear it? Let me put it all the way up with the foot. That's all the way up with the foot. Huh. It's not very loud at all. Very loud. Not at all. I like it. Okay. I bought this from eBay from a dentist office, and he sells them. I will leave the link below. The price on this was $248. I think that was on sale, $248. And all this come with it. I never seen nobody featured all this with theirs. The pedal and this, it was just always this and this. I didn't know it came with a foot pedal, even though they did say you can get a foot pedal with it. So everything $248, free shipping, no tax. So I like it, guys. Until next time, y'all have a smiley day. Bye.